Call it the newest wonder. Call it the future trend. It's got the sauce, the bop, cherry on top, a sign of joy within. Wider than the land of Giza, taller than a pyramid. Something new for you and you and you and you. Come along and tell your friends. Larger, wider, bigger than life. Watch it coming, coming alive. Larger, wider, bigger than life.
Big, 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 big things are coming.
Big things coming. Get your hands clapping. Keep your feet moving.
Big, 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 big things are coming.
Big things coming. Whole world watching. Start something.
Big, 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 big things are coming.
Sobrang mahalaga yung araw na to kasi sobrang saya namin kasi nakarating ng 70 years old yung mother namin. Sobrang mahalaga to. Lalong-lalo na ako nandito yung kapatid namin para nasubaybayan niya talaga yung
Si Tol Gibson, shout out.
Shout out.
Sa Canada.
Sobrang thankful kami kay God kasi napaka-healthy ng mother namin, walang maintenance. Kaya grabe yung pasasalamat namin at napakalakas niya yung paglalakad niya, ayos na ayos pa rin silang dalawa ni Papa. Wala kaming ibang hiling kundi lagi yung sa health nila. Wala man, hindi man mga sa material na bagay. Pero with regard sa health, sobrang thankful kami. At sana dumating lahat yung mga mahalagang tao para kay Mama.
Big, 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 big things are coming.
Big things coming. Whole world watching. Start something.
Big, 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 big things are coming. Are coming.
Larger, wider, bigger than life. Watch it coming, coming alive. Larger, wider, bigger than life. Watch it coming, coming alive. Larger, wider, bigger than life.
Big, 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 big things are coming.
Lahat po nang nagbigay ng mensahe, nakakataba po ng puso ang inyong mga sinabi tungkol po sa akin. At talagang ako po ay nagpapasalamat dahil sa edad kong ito, talagang wala pa po akong maintenance. Thanks God talaga po at ako po yung inyong patuloy na binibiyayaan. Patuloy po na binibigyan ng kalakasan at kalusugan ng pangangatawan. At hindi ko po makakalimutan ang event na ito, ang pagdiriwang po ng aking ka-70th birthday. At napakasaya ko po talaga sa araw na ito. Wala pong pagsiglang kaligayahan. Hindi ko po may paniwanag. Maraming salamat po. God bless us all.
I'm feeling like a hummingbird in springs in bloom, springs in bloom, brand new.
Sobrang napaka-special nung araw na to. May 1, Agua de Mayo, kanina umulan, umambon. Ito ay blessing para sa aming lahat. Ayun, nagpapasalamat kami talaga kay Lord dahil napaka-healthy nga ni Mama, sabi nga ni Rich. Sana bigyan pa siya ng maraming kaarawan na pagsasaluhan naming lahat. Ayun, good health lang din, safety, yung safety nila naming lahat. At ayun, at sana ma-enjoy niya yung time na malakas pa siya, makapag-travel siya. Yun lang. At mahal na mahal namin si Mama.
It's never felt quite like this.
Happy birthday. Sana wag kang magsasawa sa amin ng habang buhay, I love you.
Shades of blue, shades of blue. No words can't ever quite explain what emotions do, like the feelings do. Right now, feeling something. Right now, it's never never felt quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb. Oh, right now I feel alive. 'Cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this. The rush, the rise, the climb. Oh, right now I feel alive. 'Cause every moment here is a gift. It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this. It's never felt quite like this.
Happy birthday!
It's never felt quite like this.